again, it's back kind of like golf, where we're getting more into the elbow area. I'm using my fingers on the other side, and then coming right into the elbow, underneath. Okay, working then the forearm with the, in this case we're using it for the front, and then we're going to do the other side too. Now she is tight in here, and chances are a hockey player will be very tight in there. So you're going to work this area. And with the fist, breathe if you have to. And then do hand massage. And again, the full ELD. You could work 5 or 10 minutes if you wanted to on the hands alone. And then you're going to do the other side. So we're going to just warm up the neck area. Now, when, like if you were doing her, you would be able to feel how tight her muscles are in her neck. And so right now I'm just warming it up. Okay, so in here, warming it up. Gliding. And so you would work these, and then you're going to do underneath, and again, massage. Let go. Thank you. And relax and do underneath here too. And so you would work the neck and the head as long as you think that you need to.